Greetings from the rainforest. This is Chris Kane from AudioControl, coming to you live from our AudioControl factory just outside of Seattle, Washington. Today I want to introduce you to the new Director model M4840, now shipping, the latest addition to our Director series of high-power matrixing DSP-based amplifiers. The Director series is known for power, for control, and flexibility, as well as the ability to be configured with different applications, beginning with the Director M series 6800 and 4800, and now with the new M4840. This compact chassis delivers lots of power. The unique part about the new M4840 is the compact, shallow chassis, where traditional amplifiers can be 18 to 19 inches deep. The model M4840 is 30% less deep, taking up a much smaller footprint and making it ideal for applications like MDUs and condos and yachts and other areas where there's not much depth. Now, the real horsepower on the model M4840 comes when we start to drill down and look at the back panel and facilitate all the inputs and outputs. The M4840 is highlighted with analog inputs, 4 pairs of stereo, as well as 4 digital inputs that are fully matrixing, meaning any input can be routed to any of the outputs. There's also bus outputs that allow us to take any of the input signals and route those signals to those outputs to then go to an additional amplifier. Pass-through inputs on the analog and digital section allow for source units to be cascaded from one to the other and creating more flexibility. The main horsepower, of course, inside the M4840 comes vis-a-vis the network connection. And with the network connection, the M4840 is a full matrixing amplifier. Once again, you can be controlled with third-party control systems, delivering power from one source or one zone to the next. There are Control 4, Savant, and Crestron drivers in the library along with others. Inside the software we have flexibility. Number one, the ability to tune channels on and off, increase levels up and down, monitor temperature, look at protection modes, and provide a dramatic amount of after-sales support to the clients. Number two, the ability to go in and label zones, label sources, and personalize the amplifier, making it easy to monitor over the network. But number three, of course, the horsepower is the DSP and the ability to provide equalization for each pair of speakers or for each zone, and additionally crossover capabilities and level capabilities, which allows the integrator to optimize the audio performance for each zone. Additionally, AudioControl has launched our Sound Partners program, which includes in its library a number of speaker manufacturers and their starting or default curves. Companies like Origin Acoustics, Stealth, James Loudspeakers, Triad, Nuvo, Monitor Audio, and recently Dyne Audio, making this an easy optimization setup for any dealer that's out there. The Director model M4840, like all AudioControl amplifiers, is designed and manufactured here at our factory in the Pacific Northwest. The M4840 was also a recent recipient of a 2018 TNT Award at ISE for a top new technology, making it a fan favorite by a lot of integrators. For more information, check out the AudioControl website, www.audiocontrol.com. Chris Kane signing off.